here we are, a shaggin' wagon and reel. Look at this thing. Ears, legs, the tail, just like in Dumb and Dumber. The entire vehicle is coated in it. Fur. Shaggin' wagon in person right here. Oh my God.